it is a big Republic newsbreak impact. Republic had confronted the Punjab government over chess champion Malika Handa's claims that the Punjab government did not fulfill the promises that were made to her. Sukhjinder Randhawa has said that even if no policy is in place, assistance must be provided to her on humanitarian grounds. Republic putting forth the story and speaking to Malika Handa first, where her family also raised concerns of how promises being made to her were not fulfilled, and the Punjab government coming in response saying that there is no policy in place to assist her. Having said that, Sukhjinder Randhawa now saying that help must be provided to her on humanitarian grounds. Let's listen in.
लड़की है डेफ एंड डम्प है, वो बड़े दिन से स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर को आपको मिल रही है, उसको
ना तो जॉब
फाइनेंशियली कोई जॉब नहीं मिल रही।
यार ये तो फिर फाइनेंस उन्होंने स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਲੜਕੀ ਮਿਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ।
आपको मिली खबरों में है उसकी सारी।
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ। ਜੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੇਗੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਮੈਂ ਸੀਐਮ ਕੋਲ ਵੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਔਰ ਪ੍ਰਗਟ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਕਹੂੰਗਾ ਕਿ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਉਹਦਾ ਕੁਝ ਕਰੋ।
प्रगट सिंह जी ने ये बोल दिया कि कोई पॉलिसी नहीं है डेफ एंड डम्प के लिए, उसकी नौकरी के लिए।
ਫਿਰ ਵੇਖੋ ਨਾ ਪਾਲਿਸੀ ਤੇ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਪਏਗੀ ਨਾ। ਉਹਦੀ ਪਾਲਿਸੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਵੀ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਹਿਊਮੈਨਿਟੇਰੀਅਨ ਗਰਾਊਂਡਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਦਾ ਲੈਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। ਜੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਲੜਕੀ ਆਏਗੀ ਮੈਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਐਡਜਸਟ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ।
Amandeep comes in as a sense of relief that Malika will now receive help, and Republic really put forth that cause, spoke to Malika and her family, and it is a story that has touched many hearts. And Sukhjinder Randhawa now saying that even if there is no policy in place, on humanitarian grounds, aid will be extended. We will follow up on this, Amandeep, but have you been able to speak to Malika or her family now after this response has come in? And how is the Punjab government going to follow up on this?
Well, Swesha, the first point is look at the approach of Sports Minister and Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab, Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa. Sports Minister denied Malika that there is no such policy, so that is the reason Punjab government cannot facilitate her with a job and cash prize. And in fact, on the other side, Home Minister saying that if the girl comes to me, I'll definitely facilitate her. Either I'll talk to Chief Minister or I'll talk to Sports Minister and ask them to frame a policy on the humanitarian grounds. Look at the difference of both the ministers, and in fact, look at the difference of the Punjab government. And in fact, now a light of hope is there that Deputy Chief Minister himself releasing this statement that he will definitely speak to Charanjit Singh Channi, Chief Minister of Punjab, regarding this concern and ask him to frame a policy on the humanitarian ground, so that that international player who brought so many laurels to the nation, she would be facilitated with the job as well as cash reward. And in fact, this is what she deserves. But look, Pragat Singh, sports minister, who himself was a sports person, who was leading hockey team at one point in time, all of a sudden was very rude and very blunt to Malika that there is no such policy. And in fact, now government is on the edge to provide her relief on this entire part. Yes, Swesha.